Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's video. We are starting with a very important topic, what is research. In this video we will discuss its definition, importance, uses and its scopes, like both at global and local level, at Pakistan level. So let's move to our today's agenda. So what is first agenda is what is research and why it is important, why we learn it, why we do this, and then we will go into how does research impact our daily lives, what are its impacts, so why we conduct the research, what are its benefits, so how it impact us at global level as well as at local level. So last one, we can see that how can research solve current global issues, especially in our countries. They're mainly issues like global warming, climate change and everything like this. So why and how we conduct the research and solve these issues. So let's move towards the research, like what is research. So research is not just reading articles or writing papers. It is much deeper than that. Research is basically a systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information to answer a question or solve a problem. Like we see, like we are facing any issues, any problems at our community level, at our society level, at our national level, then internationally or globally level. We see some issues, some disturbance, then we can conduct a research and it through a process, like we can get the data, like what are the issues, why it's creating and how it's impacting us. Then we analyze this. Then when we analyze, like in what ways is its impact is us, so then we can go to the section where we answer these issues. We can resolve these issues with our intellectual analysis, what we have done through our data collection method. So we can say that the research is basically an organized and logical. We have a logic why we are doing this, and then it's an evidence based, because we review the existing literature and then we move towards our solutions. And lastly, it's aimed at knowledge creation. So we can create knowledge. We are creating new knowledge. If we have any issue, we are facing an issue, then we can conduct a research. Then it can help us in creating the knowledge in different ways. So let's see, and for better understanding of this, we can see and move towards the examples. What are the examples of research? So it can uses in medical field. You can see that in medical, so whenever any new treatment or vaccine is introduced, so it is not just thorough idea that it is the vaccine, it is the treatment for this issue, so it is an organized way behind this. So this is called a research, like a medical research testing a new vaccine or new treatment. So this is the research in healthcare. So, another one is like social scientist. So in social sciences, where the social scientist or society's persons study the impact of social media, social issues, and regarding this our societal problems. That's research in social science. So another is business, related to the business, like business is growing every day with different aspects. So the business researchers research to consumer behaviors to improve their products, their sales and their business. So that is a business research. So research is everywhere, everyone is doing research. So now we move towards the importance of research. So it solves problems. How? By supports decision making. Like it solves our problems, like treatments of different things, as we see in medical things, then in social science, then in business. In every niche we can see that research is much important. So how it supports our decision making. So the data that we collect from the research, it informed decision making in various fields, in different fields, so that governments and organizations can plan better, can do better. Another one is drives innovation. It drives innovation, like think about the technology we use every day, the rise of AI and other innovations and technologies. It's all about because of the research. Someone did the research on some specific terms, then it ends up like new technology and new terms, new education and all that. So another is societal impact. So its importance in societal impacts, because it improves our education. Our teachers are like using these research methods and research things to teach the students new learnings, new ways and everything. So it shapes our society, like how we can influence the people's minds, their thinkings and everything. So it advances knowledge for the betterment of the society. So let's now see like what is uses and applications, like where the research used. So research used in different, as we see, like in healthcare, in business, in education, in social sciences and in technology. In all these, like research is not limited to scientists in labs. It's used in almost every field, like in healthcare for medicines, treatments, business to understand the markets and customers' behaviors, in education to improve teaching method, to improve the learning process, in social sciences to study the cultures and societies and what's are trending in our society, and then in technology, like from smartphones to space missions, everything start with research. So now we see like what is its scope. We like first we go to this global research hubs, like its global scope. Globally, research is a multi-billion dollar industry. Like countries like US, China and others like in Europe invest billions every year in research and development, because they know research drives progress. You can see this research and development map that many countries are investing in research and development. Like whenever they want to create something, they want to like engage with anything and everything, so they do research for the development, for the betterment. So not only Pakistan but everywhere, it's you can say that it's the main thing behind everything. So the research leads to breakthroughs in medicines, technologies and even economic growth. So you can see different countries. So key locations for research innovation is like different cities globally at global level, as we see US, China, Israel, UK, Korea, Belgium and everywhere, Australia, Germany and everything. So another is it's international collaboration in research. What is international collaboration? So their collaborative efforts are very, very essential for addressing global challenges. Like you can see like WHO, UN and other are addressing these global issues, like climate change, it's a global issue, and child marriage and different. So these all they can address just be due to research. They do the research for their development, for their betterment, to acknowledge anything, then they come up with these results. So now let's move to our local scope at Pakistan level. Like what is research in Pakistan? As you can see in this graph, that Pakistan is also investing in different kind of research from different sectors. Like you can say that for water resources, for agriculture, most of them is agriculture. Pakistan is spending 59% of its expenditures on agriculture research. Then health, engineering things, energy and everything. So huge opportunity for local problem solving. People like various institutes in Pakistan are doing advanced research and innovations. And you can see in different and another graph that Pakistan and the other countries neighborhood that are doing investing in these kinds of areas and factors for research. So you can see that Pakistan is growing, but still it is facing many challenges. Challenges like limited funding. We have lack of resources, limited funding, and then it's resources constraints, then brain drain. However, this also means that there is a huge opportunity for young researchers like you. Our local problems like climate change, education, and healthcare need local solutions through research. We have limited funding, but everyone is doing the research. We can address our issues through research. So that's all. And the thing what is important in this video, like what is the research and its global scope and everything, so you can take these key takeaways. The first one is impacts every aspect of life. Like research is essential for knowledge and solutions. It's an impact our every aspects of our daily lives. So and it's key for progress globally and locally both. If you want to make a difference, research is the way. So thank you for watching. If you found this video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more research tips. Also, you can drop your questions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. In the next video, we will discuss and talk about how to choose a perfect topic. Or we can go manual, like what are the research types, how we can do is, how we can conduct, and anything. We can go with your queries as well, and we can go with the plan that I have made for you to like how you can learn the research.